Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about types of corporate entities. Understanding different corporate structure is very important in KYC, AML and corporate due diligence process. Each entity type has different ownership structure, compliance requirements and risk levels. So let's start with the first entity, that is private limited company. Private limited company are privately held company with limited liability. Shares are not offered to the public. It means private company shares are not listed in stock exchange. Second, public limited company. So public limited company listed on stock exchange and shares are offered to the public. Anyone can buy or sell the shares of the public company. They can do the tradings. Third is partnership forms. So partnership forms are that kind of form in which two or more person manage the business and shares profit as per the agreement. Unlimited liabilities. Fourth is limited liability partnership, that is called LLP. So limited liability partnership company is partners have limited liability and separate legal entities governed by the LLP agreement. Fifth is sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is also one kind of the entity in which owned by and managed by the one individuals, no separate legal entity, unlimited liabilities. Sixth is trust and foundation. So this kind of entities are established for charitable or specific purpose, managed by the trustee. Seventh is non-governmental organizations or NGOs. So non-profit organization working for the social causes may be registered as a NGO. Eighth one is offshore companies. Offshore companies are incorporated in the jurisdiction with the beneficial tax or regulatory advantages. Ninth is shell companies. Shell companies are those companies with little or no operations, often used for the concealment of ownerships. 10th is government owned entities. Government owned entities are entities owned and controlled by the government for delivering public services. And 11th is multinational companies, that is MNCs. So companies operating in multiple countries with subsidiaries and branches, it is called multinational companies. Now every company have their ownership structure different, and we need to understand the ownership and control hierarchy of any entities. Second is UBO identification. Identifying ultimate beneficial owner accurately is the most important thing in the AML KYC process. Third is risk categories. So as per the entity, as per the customer type, we need to assess the risk of that client. Assessing the risk, we need to collect documents, we need to verify all the documents with the valid source document, and after then we can identify or assess the risk related to that client. So assess inheritance risk based on the entities and jurisdiction and nature of the business, and we need to follow the regulatory requirement. So our process should be comply with the law and regulation of the regulatory body. KYC documents. So we need to ensure collection of the appropriate KYC documents from the client at the time of the onboarding and at the time of the refresh of the client profile, to keep clients information up to date for mitigating risk related to that client. So I hope this video will be helpful for everyone to understand the corporate types of the corporate entities. Thank you so much. Share with your friends or family members or who wants to make their career in the banking sector, and please follow my channel. So I will upload many more videos related to this field, like banking field. So it will be helpful for all of you. Thank you so much.